Ako si Father Richard Lagos at sa lahat ng mga seminarista ng Mary Help of Christians Seminary sa Dagupan, let me share with you some tips for effective social media evangelization. First, know your audience. Understand who you are speaking to. Napakahalaga nun. And tailor your content to the spiritual needs, concerns, and language of your target audience. Mahalagang alam mo yung pangangailangan nila, yung gusto nila, yung need nila, yung situation nila. Whether they are seekers, believers, or those with little to no faith background. Kasi iba't iba yung audience mo, iba't iba yung tatanggap ng message mo. Pangalawa, be authentic. Share your personal experiences, yung struggles mo, yung faith journeys mo. Yung authenticity, mahalaga yan because it fosters trust and connects with people on a deeper level. Hindi yung masyado kang preachy na parang wala kang kasalanan, napakalinis mo lahat ginagawa mo. No, you can share your own personal struggles, experience, kasi makaka-relate sila sa'yo. Pangatlo, use visuals effectively. Engaging images, mahalaga yan. Short videos, infographics, and quotes can capture attention quickly. And of course, make your message more digestible. Mahalaga yun eh. Hindi yung sobrang lalim. Dapat yung kayang tunawin. Yung mga simpleng tao lang naman yung makikinig at manunood. Hindi kinakailangan maging complicated. Number 4 is focus on positive messaging. Punong-puno na ng negativity ang mundo, wag mo nang dagdagan. Emphasize the hope, joy, and transformative power of the gospel. So, avoid negativity or confrontational tones that might alienate your followers. Kasi pag masyadong confrontational, judgmental, wag natin gawin yon. Number 5, consistency is the key. Yung regularly post content that provides value. Kaya yung word of the day, everyday yan, talagang tinatyaga ako kasi hahanap-hanapin ng mga followers. Whether it's daily scripture or short reflections or thought-provoking questions, consistency is the key. It helps to build a community. Kaya nga yung word of the day, hindi lang po yan page, yan po ay community. Kaya yung regular viewers, engagers po dyan, makikita mo consistent siya. It means talagang may regular na naghahanap. Number 6, engage with followers. Respond to comments, messages, and questions as much as possible. But of course, it will take time. Sa akin, medyo mahirap yan. Make time for conversations as well, and be patient and respectful, even with dissenting opinions. Minsan, kung hindi ka rin lang handa, wag ka na lang magbasa ng comments. Pero pag nakakabasa ka ng mga negative comments, mga dissenting opinions, wag yung patulan. Let it be. Number 7, utilize storytelling. It's good also. People resonate with stories. Share testimonies, narratives, from scripture or everyday encounters, where faith played a role. Where faith played a role. Mahalaga yon. Yung mga kwento, storytelling. Kasi mas marami tayo, mahilig tayo sa stories, at maraming makaka-relate kapag magaling tayo sa storytelling. Number 8, be clear and concise. In the fast-paced world of social media, clarity and brevity are essential. So keep your messages short but powerful and direct to the point. Huwag yung paligoy-ligoy. Mahalaga yon. Kaya ako, I started with one word lang, and then expound it. Number 9, incorporate prayer. Invite people to pray with you online. So live streaming your prayers or reflections can help people feel connected spiritually in real time. Kaya nga nun si Archbishop nagpatawag ng Rosary Crusade, talagang ang daming nag-engage, almost 1,000 always, Number 10 is collaborate and support others. No? So engage with other Christian accounts, share their content, and collaborate on projects. No? Mahalaga yun. Kaya huwag kayong ma-insecure kung yung iba ay masikat sa inyo. No? Mahalaga, it's evangelization. Walang competition dito. It expands reach and shows unity in the mission kapag nagtutulungan tayo. So, i-share nyo yung post ng Word of the Day, i-share nyo rin yung iba. Ako, I also shared other posts, no? Para tulungan. 11 is use hashtags and trends wisely, no? Utilize popular or trending hashtags that align with your content to reach a broader audience. Mahalaga yung hashtag. Isa yan, no? So, gumagawa ka ng reels, so, lagyan mo ng hashtags, no? So, but ensure they remain aligned with your evangelization goals. Hindi kung ano-ano lang na hashtag ang ilalagay ninyo. Hindi naman related dun sa content mo. Kinakailangan yung hashtag mo, kung ito about evangelization, about prayer, no, about the gospel, so ito ilalagay mong hashtags, no, about message of faith, of hope, and love, no. Number 12 is be a witness through action. So share not just words, but also your own acts of service, charity, and love. No? Showing how faith informs action is a powerful form of evangelization. Yun ang nagbibigay ng laman eh. Yun ang nagbibigay ng katuturan dun sa sinasabi natin, no? Yung ating gawa. Kaya mahalaga that you also have advocacies, no? So by combining these approaches, you can create meaningful, impactful evangelization that spreads the gospel effectively across the world of social media, across different social media platforms. So sana dumami tayo na evangelizers sa social media. Huwag kayong matakot. Let us respond to the invitation of Jesus to go and proclaim the good news to all the nations.